Best 5 ways to lose weight.
Method 1.
Eat breakfast every day. One habit that's common to many people who have lost weight and kept it off is eating breakfast every day. Many people think skipping breakfast is a great way to cut calories, but they usually end up eating more throughout the day, says Elizabeth Ward, MS, Road, author of The Pocket Idiot's Guide to the New Food Pyramids. Studies show people who eat breakfast have lower miss than breakfast skippers and perform better, whether at school or in the boardroom. Try a bowl of whole grain cereal topped with fruit and low-fat dairy for a quick and nutritious start to your day.
Method 2. Close the kitchen at night. Establish a time when you will stop eating so you won't give in to the late-night munches or mindless snacking while watching television. Have a cup of tea, suck on a piece of hard candy, or enjoy a small bowl of light ice cream or frozen yogurt if you want something sweet after dinner, but then brush your teeth so you will be less likely to eat or drink anything else, suggests Elena G. miles per hour, Road, Leb's recipe doctor, and the author of Comfort Food Makeovers. Method 3.
Choose liquid calories wisely. Sweetened drinks pile on the calories, but don't reduce hunger like solid foods do. Satisfy your thirst with water, sparkling water with citrus, skim or low-fat milk, or small portions of 100% fruit juice. Try a glass of nutritious and low-calorie vegetable juice to hold you over if you get hungry between meals. Be careful of alcohol calories, which add up quickly. If you tend to drink a glass or two of wine or a cocktail on most days, limiting alcohol to the weekends can be a huge calorie saver.
Method 4. Eat more produce. Eating lots of low-calorie, high-volume fruits and vegetables crowds out other foods that are higher in fat and calories. Move the meat off the center of your plate and pile on the vegetables. Or try starting lunch or dinner with a vegetable salad or bowl of broth-based soup, suggests Barbara Earls, Ph.D., author of the Volumetrics Eating Plan. The U.S. government's 2005 dietary guidelines suggest that adults get 7-13 cups of produce daily. Ward says it's not really so difficult. Stock your kitchen with plenty of fruits and vegetables, and at every meal and snack, include a few servings, she says. Your diet will be enriched with vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, fiber, and if you fill up on super nutritious produce, you won't be reaching for the cookie jar. Method 5.
Add more steps. Get yourself a pedometer and gradually add more steps until you reach 10,000 per day. Throughout the day, do whatever you can to be more active, pace while you talk on the phone, take the dog out for an extra walk, and march in place during television commercials. Having a pedometer serves as a constant motivator and reminder,